Hello my little darlings once again, and today is another unboxing video for you guys. This is also a non-promotion video. I have bought this myself because I wanted it so badly, or at least I wanted a new camera to use outside more that is easier to walk around with than the big DSLR that I got. So as the Canon nerd I am, it ended up with the Canon EOS M3, which is a mirrorless system camera, a miniature DSLR in essence. And there is not much to talk about, so let's just open this up. Yes, kitty cats. Once again, you help me with the video. You are so kind. Yes, yes. Kitty cat, please. Let's open this up. I had already opened it once to check if everything is in there, and it was, so I can show you guys. So it's opened up very nicely indeed, and this is the premium accessory kit, which includes a 16GB memory card with with a high bitrate, so it can capture very high quality videos. But please, kitty cat, can you let daddy do this alone? Oh my god. Oh my god, your nose is so cold. Yes. So it comes with a memory card, as you can see, a little case with the screw in the bottom, so you can screw it in place on your camera and protect it. And it is in brown leather at the poopy color, and you also get a brown leather strap to use if you want to match the case. So let's just put it like that for now and just move this up. And under here, it's nothing, it's no camera inside, oh my god. But you just open this flap up. And here you have the content. Here is the receipt that I got. And here is a European warranty card. Yes, smell on that. Yes, lick it like a good boy. And here you have instruction manual in all the languages. And you can also, have a QR code you can scan, so you get a free app for your phone, so you can download and use with the camera to upload pictures directly to your phone, or you can use it as a manual, or you can preview photos. No, please, kitty cat, you cannot move down the box right now. So let's see what's inside besides this. So here is your lens that comes with the camera. It's the kit lens. It's 18 to 55 millimeters, which is the zoom. 18 is the most wide angle, it's most open and wide angle, and 55 is the most zoom in. It's very little, it's very light, much lighter than the 1855 objective I have on my big DSLR. So that's in the box. Let's put it right next here so I can break it up. And here, no, let's wait with that, it's the most exciting part of all. Here you got your standard Canon charger for the battery, the cable so you can charge your battery, the media cable so you can transfer your pictures to your computer if you don't have a memory card reader in your computer, the battery, of course, otherwise you can't take pictures. Another strap, if you don't want to use the brown leathery one, you can use this instead. And now, let's unpack this, let's move this out of image and see my naked body instead. Oh, sorry, kitty cat. Line all of the items up that came in the box, so you can see properly what's inside. And you don't need to see all the stuff, all the other stuff, all the books. And now for the unit itself. Ooh, look. It's so little and so light. I can die. Yes, smell on that. And as with all DSLRs, you have to unscrew this, on with the lens, in with the battery, and so on. On the back is the flippable LCD screen, which you can put in selfie mode. You can have it for filming in low light situations, or you want to film up or down or on the side. You still have a good view on what you are filming or taking picture of, since this little guy don't have a viewfinder as the big DSLR has. It has a micro HDMI port, so you can connect it to your TV directly. Here on the side you have the multimedia cable outlet and a microphone in, so you can plug in a external microphone, which is actually very nice, since this is a more high-end mirrorless DSLR. And of course is there where you put extra flash or extra microphone or any other accessory that you can put on this. Here on the top you have your standard wheel, where you can choose manual, custom and all the other settings for your camera. So it's pretty much as a DSLR. It has autofocus, as a following autofocus, which means it can focus on your face or on an object, and it will retain focus on that, especially on your face, when shooting vlogs or taking selfies or anything else that you need to use the front flip mode on the LCD screen. Please, kitty cat, don't lick on it. Disgusting little boy. And of course there is a flash when you do it like that. It's not much, but it does the job. And now, my little darlings, it's time to test this out. I will assemble this in peace and quiet, and then I will show you a quick video test with audio and the image quality, so you can see what you are buying when you buy this little guy for yourself. Let I be right back. On the other side, my little darlings, I will actually assemble this right now with you guys, because it's not so much to assemble. So let's put the camera down right there and open this little box, oh, that was easy. And take the little battery out. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Why is it so tiny? Does this actually, oh shit, does this actually hold a charge? Hopefully it does, but you never know. And now, here on the bottom you have your accessory screw, and here you have the battery hatch and the memory card slot. Let's close this up. Okay, I need the memory card. Where is the memory card? I bought a new memory card for this, since 16 gigabytes isn't much when filming all day long and all night long. So this is not what it came in the package, but as I bought yes, I bought this as well. So I bought a 32 gigabyte memory card as well, which is also a grade 10 memory card, so you can shoot 4K videos, 90 megabits per second, is X-ray proof, and 4 digital camera. No shit, Sherlock. Let's see if I can rip this bad boy open. Yes, like that. Ooh, I usually isn't this brutal with my stuff, but today I am for you guys. Oh, this is so satisfactory. Oh no! I don't want the glue all over the gold. No, okay, so good. I don't want the glue all over the gold plating on this little motherfucker, so let's put this right in there, like that, and close it up. Now, when the battery is installed in the camera, I also bought a UV filter, and it's not for the UV actually, but when using your camera a lot or you have it with you everywhere, it actually is a cheap way of protecting your lens from becoming destroyed. So let's open this up as well, this little motherfucker, and put it on. Oh, I need to stop calling stuff motherfucker. It's a Canon smart filter, so best works for digital camera, no shit. Why is the glue so hard to get away? So like that. Now open this little guy up, and I hope he gave me the right one, because he was unsure which dimensions my lens had, and I was like, I don't know, I'm buying it from you, little boy. So now I really hope he gave me the right one. So let's screw this on. No. Is it clean? Yes, it's clean. And this is clean. I really hope it's clean, otherwise I will be sad as a little. Yes, it fit so well. And this also makes this little fellow stick. Now, this should be done in such a dust-proof environment as possible, since it's not good to get dust or hairs or food in the apparature or in the housing. So let's do this real quick, since I have 2 kitty cats. So white dot on white dot. Screw it like you mean it until it clicks in place. And now let's turn this on. I really hope it has yes, it has battery, look. Oh, it autofocuses so nicely. Maybe, yes it does, it maybe too close. Yes, it's so close, oh my god. But well, yes, this is the camera, and I will shoot a video for you guys right now before the battery runs out, so I see you in this camera. Hello my little darlings, can you see me? Yes you can. I will try not to look into the little LCD in the top, but whoops, I will see if I can lower the selfie stick a little. Like this. Whoops. Like that. Yay. I think it will be nice to vlog with. Actually, it's quite expensive to vlog with, but this is the quality of the video and the quality of the sound, which I have researched, and it isn't that awful actually. Whoops. But if you want to, you can always, let's just put this on the longest. Oh, look, you can see all my dirty stuff, and now I get close like fuck, and it focuses quite. Let's see if it, yes, look. Yes, now, thank you, little camera boy. Now it's focused and nice indeed, and I think it will do actually. But in the future I will probably buy a little adapter that you can buy and use a wide angle lens instead, but the kit objective will suffice for all your standard vlogging needs. And I will become shaky again. Oh my god! Earthquake! Lock position. Woo! Touch! Autofocus cancelled! What? Why? Yes, it focuses on my eyes. I don't think it recognizes my face, but that's okay, because it did now. I was just too close for it to focus on my face. So that's a test for you guys, and it's a little heavy, but it's much lighter and much more portable than my big DSLR, which I will show you right now. So here I have my big DSLR camera, which I use for filming on this beautiful green screen, and I will probably use this as well when filming stuff at home, but I will mostly use this outside, I think, and buy a external microphone so I get better audio. But this audio is actually pretty good for being standard. So it follows my face pretty nicely. Now it found my face again. So yeah, that's all my little darlings. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this will answer some of your questions. Look at my hair, so beautiful I can die. But yes, kiss and hug. Look my hair. Where is the stop button?